Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. On my marital spirit that they call Daily Star, don't come outside and let us know say Arsenal they interested in Fulham midfielder, which they call Fabio Carvalho. This guy is a super midfielder, the guy play very well, and you know say Fulham and then they reign now for championship. So nobody Arsenal said the reason the guy. Even Liverpool self don't almost sign this guy for the previous transfer window we just end. But I don't know what's happen for the deal. You know can't work out to us. So can't say okay at the summer they would like to sign the guy. So that one now don't give opportunities to people like maybe Manchester United, Arsenal, because they scammed the guy now. So okay, can't join us, so we like him to sign one because the guy is a star, a sensational star. That's what the media they call the guy for Fulham. So at the end of the day, I never know where the guy go really go because there must be a reason we make the guy no go join Liverpool. I know say most of all these young stars they like to join Arsenal because they know say if you play very well, Arsenal gets a manager who will accommodate you and bring you onto limelight. So I never know. And at the end of the summer, we'll know where Fabio Carvalho they go. Our surprise, Jack Wilshere don't sign new contract with Danish club which they call Aarhus Gymnastic Foreign, where they also call AGF. You get for a Danish club. So they wish the guy all the best of luck because he don't train for Arsenal, train for a very long time. Many people said the reason say maybe Arsenal will give him a new contract. Even said now waiting him wish. But I don't say no to that proposal. I say no. Say the only reason we them bring this guy and make him just come train with us and move on to greater heights. So now if you say this Danish club don't come for him, and they offer him £5,000 per week. You get so you won't use them as a stepping stone because this deal now from now till the end of the season. Then hopefully if he play well without injuries, other clubs go feel come say okay, Baba can join us now. So now we're seeing the plan to do well, which I'm not the best of luck. More this year go turn out. For the match where Barcelona played yesterday against Valencia, Aubameyang can score hat-trick. And Aubameyang score hat-trick. Many Arsenal fans come they lament. Say, see that, see our star man, they score hat-trick for Barca. Why the seller? Why this one? Why that one happen? If you send it for Arsenal, if you busted for us, this one, that one. You know, many people just talk plenty things. They just cry over spilled milk. And one of the notable names would follow come outside when they voice your own opinion. That be Piers Morgan. Will be our celebrity Arsenal fan. We get this guy hatred for Arteta. But the way they handle Aubameyang, so back on come outside for the para. Say Arteta knows how to manage player. Say Aubameyang now they go score our goals for another person. They score for Barcelona. Why they go sell and this and that. You know, when people they talk plenty. So my mom will say, I beg me they leave Arteta, make you choosing team now. Once people they feel to understand me say if Arsenal do anyhow, now coach then they sack. They know they sack player. So it go good man leave the coach, man do him best, do the way he wants, use your information, use your tactics, deploy him anyhow he like. At the end of the day, if he don't do well, they go sack him again. No be saying go put people on and say make them put. At the end of the day, if they don't do well, who they go fire? Change the player they go fire, not be coach. That's why they be now. So we'll just get patience. I be how that see this issue because I don't say a lot of ourselves get on our own mindset, get on our own input. When I want to talk about this Aubameyang saga because I saw this coming when I watched the match. Last week the guy they score, I know say no. Today, more people say go talk plenty. Say, see Aubameyang Arteta. I know say this talking point it never end. Even before the end of the season, we will still talk him again because anytime Aubameyang score, people will come remember say Arteta. When he never discuss since why they never talk about that. So that's what just the bit. I just bad everything. We also the year say Arsenal they interested in signing Napoli midfielder which they call Fabian Ruiz. And Arsenal hierarchy, Arsenal representatives say don't meet Ruiz representatives, meet Ruiz agents. So they go like make him move from Napoli to Arsenal. So what's it been wage demands, you guess? So they won't know. And these guys have now super midfielder. The guy they very good. So we never hear any feedback from Ruiz camp. So anyhow the deal they go, I will let you know because we don't they prepare our own summer rebuild. We won't rebuild more, you get bring some more new faces, throw away some kind of old guard to move forward because you know say the championship with the plan to play next season or Europa League, whichever way we won't go Euro. But I know go like more go UEFA Europa Conference League. It's either Champions League or Europa League. Any which way, we need more faces, you get, to bring out the plan, the process. After us, the process we had to always stop. Now new faces now go complete everything for us. Well, at the end of the summer. At the same time, Calcio Mercato will be one of our monitoring spirits. Don't come outside and let us know. Say Arsenal still they interested in signing Alvaro Morata. You get, so they would like to use it. This one say many people don't talk. Say Moko sign targets, man, Mo sign focal point. So I thought that the reason say this is going to be the perfect focal point. So they will need. Well, I never know whether it will materialize because this guy now still loan in there for Juventus from Atletico Madrid. So we never know whether they go back to Atletico, may Atletico use them, after Atletico would like to sell them, and Juve self whether they would like to buy them at the end of the season because now they don't deploy the guy alongside Vlahovic. And they use two of them side by side, then develop one day for the middle, one they distribute to two of them. So I never know whether now what Massimiliano Allegri one they use moving forward. I mean, just for this season, where everything at the end of the summer will know who they are available and who know they are available. Oh my God, statistics where they come outside where they let us know say now Arsenal, Leeds, and Norwich. That be the only three teams who never collect any points from the top 4 teams for EPL. So anytime way they meet any top 4 team, maybe Man City, maybe Liverpool, maybe Chelsea, they'll come they fidget, they'll come they fear. They don't go fit collect 1 point. Now 0 points don't collect for any team waiting for top 4, and this statistics is very bad because when you look at it, our outstanding games we still get Liverpool, we still get Chelsea, we still get Tottenham, which means going by these statistics now we don't do on display. That means if we play against Liverpool now we're going to fear them, or maybe they will feel knock us, or if we play against Chelsea now they will feel knock us. Chelsea gone, they never see their period, they play anyhow. You get, so Liverpool now me at the fear because those ones they be high flying side. And now if say don't buy Luis Diaz, everything's going to fear me. And now if we say Manchester City they ahead of Liverpool with 6 points, and Liverpool get one outstanding match. If Liverpool win that their one outstanding match, they'll find 3 points behind Man City, so they no go fit afford to drop any point. City self no go fit afford to drop any point. Arsenal self at this stage can't afford to drop any point. Oh my, this is becoming more and more interesting. More they watch. On my many points, don't come outside. I can't do touch lights for Ødegaard matter. The contact say Ødegaard is now a leader at Arsenal. Ødegaard don't make himself undroppable. Not too long ago, this guy left for Benjamin behind the likes of this guy Smith Rowe, Martinelli, and co. But now the guy don't cement in place for that lineup. If everybody they fit, no fit call first 11 without putting Ødegaard name there. The guy at Shola and start at MB. Because the guy don't turn around in Wolves, they give assists, they play very well, they display. Even if you no give assists, you no score, you gonna say yes, the guy get impact. The way the guy they distribute passes, you get. For you to get an assist, that means you give somebody pass, man score. So the person no score, it'll be your fault now. You try all your best. So all Arsenal fans and also all of us, they happy and proud. And somebody say, buy this guy 29.something million pounds from Real Madrid. Somebody saying that still yet we stole him from Real Madrid because that price is too cheap for the guy age and the guy never reach a peak. Still going forward, and that is waiting Arteta want to sign this crop of young players who will grow together, get that bond, and take us to greater heights. They're very good. Over Paul Messing, maybe one of our legends, don't come outside. Can they advise Mikel Arteta, Edu Gaspar, and Richard Garlick? Say me them sign Ings. The guy did very good. You get, say it go make sense. People collect the guy. Say the guy a goal scoring machine. And another thing we say, if Arsenal sign him, Arsenal will really enjoy the guy because the guy need take eye see post. So I don't know whether I want to subscribe to Baba line of thoughts. So now reason that matter. Say mo carry him from Aston Villa because now Gerrard now hold the guy now. Well, I never know what you think about this one because some people go say more really no go for the guy. There are better targets to get. Once you don't qualify for Europe, I believe say get some kind of senior men who go there available. That Europe go now be the coco who qualify. Men go there available. Mogales don't go for Twitter. Can they praise Bukayo Saka? Can say I love this boy Bukayo Saka because the guy they really make things happen. And you know say for that Arsenal setup, the guy for the right, Martinelli for the left, two of them with their direct running, they cause havoc. Or if you not put Martinelli, put them in Smith Rowe, they cause many things for that midfield and for that right flank. So that's why the guy comes up say they happy. I'm not believing they happy. Even the fans from England, they are very happy with Saka and Smith Rowe. Don't forget they don't create song for two of them. I know say if you check Arsenal same sheets, just like Ødegaard now, you know if you talk say one drop out Saka is undroppable. You get Martinelli is undroppable. The only problem we get now is say where we go put Smith Rowe because this guy is our highest goal scorer. If he enter, he go feel an impact in direct running, wiping shots. Guy just they bring him with confidence. So where we go play this guy? So we want to leave him Benjamin. If he come play, how Arteta go take accommodate all these boys because Martinelli the hot, Smith Rowe the hot, Saka the hot, Ødegaard they in form. How are you going to accommodate all these people? The only way is to drop Lacazette on the Benjamin, put Martinelli for 9, they'll come put Smith Rowe for Martinelli position, put Saka for the right, put Ødegaard for middle. We won't just try that formation because at the face of a try am, it go dey very well, go well, things go solve. I never know whether Arteta the reason towards that limelight because I see them they prepare Martinelli to play as a number 9. So anyhow this one they go, I just pray say make you work. On my familiar setting, they constantly ask Mikel Arteta about Nicolas Pepe. Say what's the swap with this guy now? She still get future for you. So Baba Kanto say, as things stand now, say you go understand if Pepe won't leave, you get, because you know say normal if you know they get game time, you don't turn to surplus or requirements, you just for Benjamin, you know go dey happy. The next week go dey enter your mind now, I want to leave. So you go understand if Pepe say you won't leave. But at the same time, the message you go to send to people say no forget say you get future for you. They see this place as your home, you get future. I carry it for mine long term, no be saying short term. You get future. So reason and where no go dey talk say you won't leave. I get mad future for you. At the same time, my football lovers, don't forget to subscribe to our CHUKS Arsenal TV channel on YouTube so that we self will grow our community. Because that is very, very key. The more we grow, the more our reach will expand. YouTube will spread our show to more and more people. So as you do that, may God continue to bless you. On another statistics, you can come out for Smith Rowe. Say this guy don't become the first Arsenal academy player to score double figures since Fabregas. Again, the guy don't break different records. And so they don't say he scored the 600th goal for Emirates Stadium. We're happy with that one. You know, many things we don't talk about Smith Rowe. And the guy is just I think 20 or 19 thereabouts. He's just a small boy. He never reached peak. He never even reached. This guy never. I don't think this guy never play up to 2 seasons for Arsenal. He just burst into the scene now. Can't take Arsenal by storm. Well, we're very happy with him. Progress, development, and everything we need to do for Arsenal. When we shake give himself, don't come outside and talk. Say Arteta gets one marvelous player, one sweet player, one exciting player on his hands, and that player that they call Smith Rowe. This guy is a 20-year-old with a huge potential future. You get say the future they so bright. So we say Arsenal will recoup mad profit, even if they don't sell the guy in the future. They're like £200 million because this guy is going to be one of the exciting stars in the world football, and we're very happy with the guy, now our player, now our Smith Rowe NBA. And when they say they always call the guy De Bruyne when they play like De Bruyne, when they travel with the ball, carry the ball so swift, so sweet and everything. They're very entertaining. You see the guy they play. So she give himself not come outside of pundit duty when they give huge praises on the Smith Rowe, and waiting the talk now, waiting we self with the see week in week out for the field of play. Alright, King, don't come outside. I can't talk about top 4 chances. So back on the rates Arsenal, Man U, and Spurs. You know, even call West Ham. So we're going to say in the see Manchester United entering the top 4 because now Ralph Ragnick don't get back-to-back wins. You get say they don't beat all those guys Brighton and then win Leeds 4-2 yesterday. So but they talk for that reason saying they see them ending in top 4. But that's not all. If you check the next 6 games, say Manchester United get they go play. I think Tottenham Hotspur, play Man City, play one tough game again. Say now all those ones that be waiting go let us know how far then go. You get the next 6 games. You don't ask yourself. After we play, I think we are playing Leicester, we are playing Watford, we are playing Wolves, they'll come play Liverpool. Get the next 4 games, 5 games will determine a lot. This table hierarchy, the 4, 5, 6, everything will change. We'll see where everybody will be. Well, what the world because myself I wish my darling Arsenal best of luck. And not just that, even Jamie Redknapp self don't come as I can talk say he agree with waiting Roy Keane they talk say for Arsenal. Yes, Arsenal is winning now, but it doesn't see them fighting so hard till the end of the season. The Arsenal will falter away because of their team squad. Say Manchester United go end up for top 4. You know, talk is cheap now. Everybody they talk as it be them. So you self, what will be your own opinion? Who will end up for top 4? Because me, I see Arsenal ending up in top 4. But if they no fit do it, no problem. Top 5 is okay for me. Because I see them ending in top 5. I don't know how it won't be. Arsenal will end for top 5. That's why not even top 6. Top 5, I see them ending because West Ham can't keep us out of top 5. It's not possible. Even either Spurs end for 4 or Arsenal end for 4 or we end for 5th. Any which way, top 5 is okay by me. My familiar says this Arteta can't come outside whether they ask him say, "Shey Ødegaard get the qualities to become the new Arsenal captain?" So back on the say yes, of course. So Ødegaard na first will be say if he enter a room like this, everybody go to smile, say everybody loves him. And when they even reason in coach for Norway, you know say Ødegaard na Norway guy and the guy na be captain of their side. So the coach said a lot of good things about him. The coach and his staff, other players, they love the guy. At his tender age, he's the captain. So why can't they feel say no go feel captain Arsenal? Come on, if you feel the captain country, what's it gonna be Arsenal? And the guy is going to be a good captain if selected. So everything now for future and Arsenal leadership. and then go vote. Get, you know, they impose captain on the side. The players and then go vote for their leader to know who will lead them, and that's how it just be. So if you know what yesterday's show, check the top left corner of your screen. You will see the thumbnail. Click and make get all Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world, because I don't want to miss any chicken news. So it's CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your week. This is a great week, and I wish you all the best things that you ever wanted in this week. So CHUKS signing out. And them out.